What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before you ask, yes, I did dye my hair. I was just interested in going a little bit more natural, and I figured going more natural would be perfect for the holiday season. Speaking of which, happy holidays and a very Merry Christmas to all my followers who celebrate. Today I decided that I wanted to do like a Christmas inspired look today, and I got new products to use and I'm really excited for this video, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I primed with the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and I primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So to complete this look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread palette. It smells amazing, not like gingerbread, but that's okay. And I want to go for like a very fun, very festive kind of look. Nothing too simple here today. So using my IT Cosmetics shadow brush, I'm going to be setting my base with powdered sugar all over my lid. Using my crease brush from IT Cosmetics, I'm going to be blending Oh Snap into my crease. Using the ABH Cosmetics Rose Gold brush, I'm going to be smoking out Hot Toddy onto my outer V, and I'm also going to be smudging that into my lower lash line. Using my flat brush from IT Cosmetics, I'm going to be pressing Spiced Rum onto my lid. Using brush 10 from the ABH Cosmetics collection, I'm going to be highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone with Frostbite Me. To add some more drama and make my lashes look a little bit thicker, I'm going to be using the Tarte Man-Eater eyeliner, and I'm just going to lightly line my eyes. Moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Primer, the Nars Climax Mascara, and then the Tarte Lights Cameras Lashes Mascara. So now my eyes are done, and now we're going to be moving on to the base. So I'm going to be blending the Too Faced Do You foundation in the shade Sand using my IT Cosmetics foundation brush. Next, I'm going to conceal with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm only going to be using a little bit. And I'm going to be blending that with the IT Cosmetics Fluffy Brush. So next I want to move on to brows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Granite, and I am just going to fill in where I'm a little sparse, nothing too crazy. Now I'm going to set my brows with the ABH Clear Brow Gel. So moving on to highlighter, I am going to be using brush 4 from the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold collection, and I am going to be using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. This is easily one of my most favorite highlighter shades now, and I'm so glad that I got to get a sample of it from Sephora because it is blinding, it's beautiful, and I'm definitely going to be getting the full size soon. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be using the Catrice Blush Flush palette in the shade Blurred Orange. And I'm going to be using that with my angled blush brush from IT Cosmetics. Using my powder brush from IT Cosmetics, I want to use the Model's Own Sculpt & Glow Shimmer Bronzing Powder in the shade Deep Golden Brown. And now finally, I am going to be using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gingerbread Girl. It is their limited edition lipstick for the gingerbread palette that they got going on. I thought it was really cute and it smells really good. This one actually does smell like gingerbread, so if you're not into that scent, then that might be a little too strong for you. I love all these scents and I know that Too Faced is known for it. Another thing, these aren't that drying as like other matte liquid lipsticks are, but if you are sensitive or get dry lips very easily, especially in the winter, I recommend using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask right before you put on matte liquid lipsticks, so that way at least there's some hydration and at least there's some barrier. So now I'm going to set with some Fix Plus spray and we're going to finish off the look. And there you have it! I got these in an Ariana Grande perfume set and I thought that these would look really cute for this Christmassy kind of look, and I am wearing my Christmas tree earrings to be extra festive. So my final thoughts, because this is the first time that I had been using the Gingerbread Spice palette from Too Faced, I am a big fan of their eyeshadow palettes. At least they're really colorful ones. I think those are some of their best eyeshadow palettes, and I really loved this. I loved how it blended nicely together. I loved how the colors showed up, and I loved how they look on my skin tone. And I also love that this isn't like limited to just holiday editions. Like, yeah, there's a lot of shimmers, but you can wear these shades like any time of the year, which is why this look isn't exclusive to Christmas. This is such a pretty lipstick shade, and I love how this looks on me and against my skin tone. I think it's complements my skin really nicely and I really loved it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you really like this video, please share. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. They're going to be linked down below in the description. And have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays.